Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add first name in ConvertKit email. The first thing I want you to do is just go ahead and open up your dashboard, click here on send, and then click on broadcast. You can see all the broadcasts we have right here. You can click on edit, and then all you need to go ahead and do is add this right here. So let's wait for this to load up. So you need two curly brackets in the start, and then just type in, for example, subscriber. So that is my tag or list. And then we have right here first name. Close the curly brackets, two of them. And you can even go ahead and preview this. You can come and click on preview. And this, as you can see, it has the details. You can also preview as a specific subscriber. As you can see right here, you can choose that or even send a test email. But that is how you do it. That is how you add a first name in ConvertKit email.